Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnav from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened with an upward gap and buying momentum throughout the session led index to close around 8946 with gain of 66 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a sizable bullish candle indicating positive bias. With previous sessions gains, index managed to regain all its losses of past couple of sessions, indicating fastest retracement. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, index continued to form higher top, higher bottom formation, indicating sustained uptrend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8990 levels, then it may regain strength, and on the higher end, it may scale further towards 9040 to 9080 levels. On the downside, immediate support zone is around 8930 to 8900 levels. Currently, Nifty is well placed about 50 as well as 100-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment ahead. Hence, any correction towards major support zone will remain as a buying opportunity for short-term traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI is moving upward and it is on the verge of giving positive crossover to its reference line, indicating strength ahead. Whereas the momentum indicator stochastic is in negative territory, indicating possible consolidation at current level. Some positive bias stock for the day are ABB, Central Bank, SL Propec, Hindustan Unilever, Kotak Bank and Tata Steel. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are CSC, MOIL, Natco Pharma, NBCC, Tata Motors and Tata Power. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened on flat note and it has witnessed buying momentum for most part of the trading session. It has closed around 67.04 with gain of 0.15%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a small bullish candle carrying either side shadows, indicating indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the direction. However, it has formed higher high-low formation compared to previous sessions, which remains positive sign. Since past 3 consecutive weeks, USD is consolidating within 67.15 levels to 66.80 levels, indicating short-term sideways trend. Hence, any decisive breakout above 67.15 level will indicate further strength. Currently, USD is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which indicates bearish sentiment ahead. For the day, if USD trade and sustains above 67.05 levels, then it may witness further strength towards 67.15 to 67.25 levels. On the downside, immediate intraday support zone is around 66.95 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both have given a positive crossover, indicating buying may arise near support zone. Thank you.